Hello, my lovelies. How are you guys doing? I hope you've been taking good care of yourself. I am Chaya Chauhan and thank you for logging into my channel. Today we are going to making an ingredient and not a dish. This ingredient is very important because हम लोग इसके बाद इसमें से करीब 4-5 इनोवेटिव डिशेस बनाएंगे. ठीक है, तो जब इंग्रेडिएंट एक सा होगा तो रेसिपी भी अच्छे से फॉलो हो पाएंगी. करेक्ट. ये रेसिपी ना मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है बिकॉज वड़ियाँ मैंने इतना ढूंढा बट समहाउ आई हैव ऑलवेज हैड बैड लक विद वड़ीज एंड जिसको ढूंढा मिली. वन ऑफ माई very close friends, Anjuma Punya, gave me the recipe, and since it came out, with flying colors, I thought I'll share this with you, and then together we can make more dishes. Yeah. So let's look at the raw material which we need to एकत्रित करो, मतलब के इकट्ठा करो. हाँ. We have taken hari moong split dal, 1 cup. And don't worry, the ingredients are going to be, I'm going to put it down in the caption. We have sabut hara dhania, sabut kali mirch, about 1.5 spoon of refined oil. हरी मिर्चें 4. 1.5 इंच अदरक, क्योंकि इसको पील और श्रेड जब हम करेंगे तो 1 इंच का हो जाएगा, राइट. एंड देन अबाउट 15 गार्लिक क्लोव्स एंड 1 सर्विंग स्पून साइज बेसन पाउडर, टर्मरिक, सॉल्ट, रेड चिली. एंड स्टार्ट कैसे करना है? इस हरी मूंग दाल को हम भिगो लेते हैं अबाउट 3 to 4 hours. या तो मैंने ऑलरेडी काम करके रखा हुआ आपके लिए. ये ठीक है, इतनी फुली. इसमें से पानी, प्लीज यू हैव टू ड्रेन आउट द एंटायर वाटर because there'll be no point, it'll become too sluggish and stuff. And the basin we've kept for that rescue left only, so that if it gets too runny, then the basin will bind it. What I'll do is I'll grind all the stuff that I have to grind and come back to you for how do we make the paste of the Amritsari one. Hang on.
It's yummy, it's flaky, it's quirky, fan free.
See, buddies add a great spicy flavor to a dish, and thus I mark it as an important big essential for quickie pantry. Also, I emphasize on making ingredients yourself, as then you're sure about the hygienic conditions they're made in, right? I mean, I don't want to scare you, but how do you know where the market bought buddies were dried, for instance? Correct? And besides that, this is easy to make at home, so why not be sure and let's just make our buddies ourselves. I kept the 2 tablespoons of dal aside and have coarse grinded the balance, cause those 2 tablespoons will be adding later and it will make the grains show, the dal grains show, and it will add beauty to our curries. So now we put all this grinded masala in a bowl. And can you see, this is the coarseness of the coriander seeds and the black pepper we need to arrive at. They're only kind of a split in half kind of a thing. Yeah. Then we put only 1 tablespoon of oil, and then we mix, including the dal, that 2 tablespoons of dal that we had kept aside. Now, for example, this is the much of oil you need to grease your tray with, on which you're going to be drying your varis. And the paste needs to be runny like this and this, and that's about it. Okay, do remember to turn over the varis every morning and evening for these 3 days. They may take also just 2 days, and it completely depends upon the weather conditions. So after 3 days, we are ready with our varis. Every time I pass by the tray and while they were drying, the aroma of these vari is so delightful that it makes you feel hungry. You know? We are ready to store them, and sometimes your journey is as beautiful as the destination is, and that has been my romance case with these varis. And the more exciting thing is that we are going to be making कितनी सारी dishes इनके साथ, पता है कुछ? और इनको जो है तब तक मैं स्टोर करती हूँ in an airtight. You know, hear the sound. They should be this dry. And by the way, jaan ke I have made them into like a coin, not more than a coin shape thickness or breadth and width, because the varis can get because the monsoons are going to be arriving. We don't want them getting damaged because of the moisture. So we're keeping them in an airtight jar so that these are properly salike se stored. So thank you for logging in. I'm storing these varis. Please you go ahead and soak the dal and grind the masalas. है बहुत ही आसान. Please do put in the coming dishes. We are absolutely, all of us are absolutely ready for the show. Ouch! For the show. Yeah. Thank you for logging in. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy.